Hello, I'm going to walk through how to set up Demeter Run for use with the Marlowe Starter Kit. So the first thing we do is we visit demeter.run and sign in, create an account, and you want to create a project. I've already created a project. It's just called Playground. I'm going to open that. And what we're going to do is turn on two extensions. So first we go to Browse Extensions. We'll use a Cardano node for the preview network. And we'll use Marlowe Runtime also for the preview network. So now we'll be able to use services from the node and services from Runtime. And we're going to create a workspace. And we're going to use the Marlowe Starter Kit. So let's copy the URL for the Starter Kit and we'll paste it in here using the main branch. And then you don't have to select a tool chain for this. What you do have to do is select Cardano binaries and Jupyter Notebook. We'll use a medium size workspace and we're using the preview network. And we can give this a name and an email address. And then we're ready. So we'll do create. We'll wait while it's provisioning the services. You'll see what's going on here. Okay, the workspace is running, so we're going to enter a VS Code window here. We'll say we trust the software, and then we have the cloned version of the Marlowe Starter Kit. So this is our own workspace, and we'll open up preliminaries. We'll just make sure that's working. So first thing to do is to see, can we access the node? So I'll execute this cell, and you get a prompt here for what kind of Jupyter kernel you want. We're going to pick bash, and it should execute this. And we see, yes, there is a Cardano node socket, and there is some Cardano testnet magic. And so at this point, we're connected. We can run any of these notebooks and work through the tutorials. There are separate videos on each of these tutorials, so I'm not going to go through anything else at this point. Thank you.